Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product variant element. The product variant element is a mini element which shows the variance of a product on the page. In order to use the product variant element, we first need insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product cut button. Let me insert a product variant element into the product and select the product to show. It looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product variant element has to offer. First, we have product option that you can select the product to show. Then you can select the layout for the element to be button layout or to select layout like this. You can adjust the gap between the buttons. Then you can adjust options for the active variant. Active color, let me change it to purple. Active background color, let's say I want it to be gray. And active border color, I also want to be purple. And it looks like this. You can adjust the label font, Abel, and the font change, and the font for the options. Let's say to Acme. Adjust the label font size and option font size. We can align the element to the left, to center, or to the right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.